Now, after you finish creating all the deductive approach to coming up with the primary themes and the different codes in NVivo, you can then come up with different ways to visualize your data. One of the ways that we can visualize our data is through something we call a hierarchy chart. So we click on the explore button, go to the hierarchy chart and create hierarchy chart of codes. For example, for this theme of parent sources of information about the flu, we have this chart here. We can create it in a different format. At this chart, this is the chart we have. I double click here and you can see under the theme of parent sources of information, we have the internet and materials from health professionals. We can export this hierarchy chart as something we call a PNG. I can save it as a PNG like this, and we can insert it in our final qualitative data analysis report. So let's save that PNG for that theme. Again, we can click on another theme here and go to explore, go to hierarchy chart, create hierarchy chart of codes, and then click on this format. Again, this is the hierarchy chart for parents' knowledge and perceptions about the flu. And again, we can export this as a PNG and we are going to use it in our final qualitative data analysis report. Again, we can export a hierarchy chart for our final theme, which would involve going to explore button, hierarchy chart of codes, and click on this area. So this is how we create hierarchy charts, which is one of the most effective ways of